are going to explain about project title Automating e-Government Services with Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be defined as the availability of computer to imitate the intelligence of human behavior while improving its own performance. Artificial intelligence is not only robotics rather than an intelligent behavior of an autonomous machine that describes the brain of the machine and not its body. It can drive a car, play a game, and perform diverse sophisticated jobs. Artificial intelligence is a field that falls at the intersection of several other domains, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, context awareness, and data security, etc. The main objective of this project to predict insurance policies, charges, and user opinion sentiment on policies by applying machine learning and artificial intelligence. By applying machine learning and artificial intelligence can also analyze users' opinion or reviews, and it will take the decisions whether the person's opinion is positive, neutral, or negative. Hardware requirements: we need operating system Windows, processor i5 and above, RAM 4GB and above, hard disk 20GB and above. Coming to the software requirements, we need to install Python with a version of 3.7. Methodologies: to implement this project, we have designed few modules. First one, generate handwritten digits recognition deep learning model. Using this model, we are going to build CNN based handwritten model which takes digit input as the image and then predicts the name of the digit. CNN model can be generated by taking two types of images called train and testing part of the images. Using all trained images, CNN will build the training model. While building model, we will extract the features from the training images, and then while testing also we will extract the images from the features of the images which we have tested and apply the trained model on that text image to classify it. Next model, generate text and image based sentiment detection deep learning. Using this model, we will generate text and image based sentiment detection model. All possible positives and negatives words will be generated by generating text based sentiment model. All different types of facial expression images will be used to generate image-based sentimental model. Whenever we input text or image, then trained model will be applied on that input to predict its sentiments. Third module, upload text image and recognize digit. By using this module, we will upload the text image and apply trained model to recognize digits. Fourth module, that is write your opinion about government policies. Using this module, we will accept your opinion and then save that opinion. Insert application to detect sentiment from the opinion. Fifth module, view people's sentiments from opinion. By this module, user can see all users' opinion and their sentiments detected through the CNN model. Sixth module, upload your face expression photo about government policies. By this module, user will upload his image with the facial expression which indicates whether user is satisfied with its scheme or not. Then, last module, detect sentiment from face expression photo. Using this module, different users can see the facial expression image and detect the sentiment which is uploaded by the past users. Now coming to the execution. Now close this file and go to the code folder. This is the code folder. First folder consists of expression, image, input to uploaded. These are the few emojis which are including with the expressions and policies which we have does not like and express the images based upon the policies which you like or not. And next one, model. This model consists of .h5 files which contains algorithm information and can be loaded into the project code during runtime. to utilize the trained model for various tasks such as making prediction on the new data or performing specific operations. Next model, this is people's opinion. When the people's opinions are given, that are saved in this folder. Next one, sentimental images. This sentiment images when the peoples or users used to express their opinion based upon the images, it will store here in this folder. And text images. These are the test images used for testing the CNN model and predicting the output. It is showing the output perfectly or not. And back, this is main code folder and this is runbat file. This runbat file, instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute. By clicking double tap on this, it leads into the graphical user interface which interacts with the user program. Now, first button, generate handwritten digit recognition deep learning model. By clicking this, it will load the model in the back console and it will generate, the model is generated, and generate text and image based sentiment detection deep learning model. This is handwritten and this is text and image. When we click on this, it will load the image in the back console and it will detect the text is generated and image is generated based upon the training process. So you can see here text-based sentiment deep learning CNN model was generated and image-based also it was generated. Now upload test image and detect recognize digit. So now by clicking that you can see the images and select one image and click on open. It will detect the image based upon the digit. Now close this and write your opinion about the government policies. Click on this and you can see the username. Type username. I am going to type it and click on OK. The username will be saved. And one more thing, type the government policies, your opinion. So I am going to write free girl child education is good scheme. Now click on OK. So it will save the opinion and click on OK. Now view people sentiments from the opinion. So when we click on this, you can see past users opinion and also now what the opinion we have written. So past opinion they have written angry, so it is negative opinion, and now we have written free girl child education is a good scheme. So based upon this it given the positive sentiment. And now upload your expression, upload your face expression photo about government policies. By clicking this you can see the number of facial expressions. So I am going to select happy and OK. Now you are going to write the username. So I am going to indicate the username. OK, and write what type of expression related to the government policies you are going to give. So I am happy about scheme free child education. So now click on OK. This review also will be saved and accepted the image. Click on OK. Now detect the sentiments from facial expression photo. So click on this. You can detect the sentiment of the facial expression. So you can see here the sentiment was predicted from the facial expression is happy. So click on OK. Now you can close this file. Close the entire code. Now go to the conclusion. So we proposed a framework for the management of the government information resources that help manage the e-government lifecycle end to end. Then we proposed a set of deep learning techniques that can be help facilitate and automatically several e-government services. So we proposed a smart platform for artificial intelligence development and implementing in e-government, and with the accuracy of very best accuracy in this project with the CNN algorithm.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.